Are you looking for the best CPUs? In this video we will look at some of best CPUs. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. AMD Ryzen 5 7600. AMD's Ryzen 5 7600 is arguably the best value mainstream processor that the chip maker currently sells, with impressive performance for its appealing price. This chip has 6 CPU cores with thread doubling SMT support, and it can hit speeds of up to 5.1 GHz. The processor is also equipped with a low-end integrated graphics processor, IGP, that isn't up to running games but works fine for any non-gaming display task. It's also notable that AMD ships this model with a Wraith Stealth cooler. This cooler is a bit lackluster, but it does save you from having to purchase one for basic operations. Who it's for? This processor is suitable for a wide range of everyday tasks, but it's arguably best if you just need a basic PC for gaming and work tasks that won't cost a fortune. You'll find plenty of faster alternatives, but simply put, not everyone needs or will benefit from that added speed. In our lab tests, it performs well in gaming frame rate trials, and it will undoubtedly work well in a basic gaming PC. Specs and configurations. Core count: 6. Thread count: 12. Base clock frequency: 3.8 GHz. Maximum boost clock: 5.1 GHz. Unlocked multiplier? Socket compatibility: AMD AM5. Lithography: 5 nanometers. L3 cache amount: 32 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating: 65 watts. Integrated graphics: AMD Radeon Graphics. Integrated graphics base clock: 2200 MHz. Bundled cooler: AMD Wraith Stealth. Number 2. Intel Core i5-13400F. Driving better performance per dollar than most other Intel CPUs, the Core i5-13400F is a standout option in Intel's desktop lineup. It lacks integrated graphics, but Intel makes up for this by dropping the price. If you plan on buying a graphics card, though, this is arguably well worth the trade and can help you save a few bucks on the processor that could be put to use instead toward more RAM or a faster video card. If you need the integrated graphics, opt for the non-F Core i5-13400 for a little more money. Who it's for? For anyone building a mid-range gaming PC, the Core i5-13400F should be one of the top options you consider. Faster processors are always available, but you aren't likely to need more speed in a mid-range gaming PC than what the Core i5-13400F can muster. Look for something else, though, if you aren't already planning to buy a graphics card, as the no graphics F savings aren't enough to justify buying a graphics card for that reason alone. Yes, a higher-end processor than this may better extend the useful life of your PC, but the Intel Core i5-13400F is hard to beat for its price. Specs and configurations. Core count: 10. Thread count: 16. Base clock frequency: 2.5 GHz. Maximum boost clock: 4.6 GHz. Unlocked multiplier? Socket compatibility: Intel LGA 1700. Lithography: 10 nanometers. L3 cache amount: 20 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating: 148 watts. Integrated graphics: none. Integrated graphics base clock. Bundled cooler: Intel Laminar RM1. Number 3. AMD Ryzen 7 5700X. Yes, technically, the AM4 platform is old hat now, but it still has life in it for budget shoppers. The Ryzen 7 5700X was introduced toward the end of the AM4 platform's life as AMD's flagship mainstream processor, and it launched with a price that undercut many existing Ryzen 7 5000 series chips. Despite its lower price, this 8-core CPU drives similar speeds to most other Ryzen 7 5000 series processors. The lower price without any appreciable change in performance made it an alluring option at launch, and this still holds today, especially as its price has dropped further. Who it's for? If you own an AM4 motherboard already, this is a great budget chip option. As mentioned above, the Ryzen 7 5700X can be picked up today for less than its entry price, but even back at its launch time it was already a highly attractive option. Its performance is among the best of the Ryzen 7 5000 series, and it manages games in a particularly excellent fashion for the money. This makes it one of the best options to consider if you want to build a no-fuss gaming PC and save a few bucks on the processor, which will help you stretch your budget for a better graphics card. Specs and configurations. Core count: 8. Thread count: 16. Base clock frequency: 3.4 GHz. Maximum boost clock: 3.6 GHz. Unlocked multiplier? Socket compatibility: AMD AM4. Lithography: 7 nanometers. L3 cache amount: 32 megabytes. Thermal design power, TDP, rating: 65 watts. Integrated graphics: none. Integrated graphics base clock. Bundled cooler: none.